Welcome to Joshua's Tech Tips. So this is a short video showing you how to reset a forgotten pin on an Amazon Fire tablet. This is one of my son's tablets and he actually forgot the pin and so he can't access it. I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on this tablet, which would in turn remove the forgotten pin. However, the downside is that you will lose all your data that's on the tablet. So you have to figure out if that's something you're willing to do. Next, we want to power on the tablet by pressing the power and volume up button at the same time. You would now be prompted by a recovery menu similar to this. You use the volume up and down buttons to navigate and the power button to select the particular option. So we're going to select down and go to wipe and factory reset and press the power button to select this option. Next, we're going to use the volume up button to go all the way down to yes, delete all user data. Select the power button once more. And as you may have guessed, this option would delete all your user data on the tablet. But I mean, it may be worth it if you can't access your tablet. Next, you would see the wiping data and formatting has been completed. What we're going to do now is reboot the tablet. Again, use the volume up and down buttons to select the option and power key. The tablet will take a few minutes to reboot. Next, you'll be prompted to select both language and Wi-Fi options. You now have to enter your Amazon account details. You can now set up a payment method if you so desire. However, I'm going to cancel that. Here you'll be given a brief tutorial of the Alexa features on the tablet. You have the option of enabling Alexa. I'm not going to create a child account right now. Also, I'm not interested in Amazon's music service. Also, I'm not interested in downloading any games at this point in time. And that's it, you're all done resetting your Amazon Fire tablet, thereby also removing the forgotten pin in the process. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and share. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel to stay up to date with all my latest videos. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to install the Google Play Store on the Fire tablet. That's something you're not going to want to miss. Thanks again for viewing, guys. See you soon.